And also I have to take in mind of shedding, because when hair sheds it gets shorter. I don't want it to be 22 inches the first day, and by day 90 it's 18 inches. No, we're not doing that here.
Angelina, they cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I look for you.
Hey, so it's Hawa. So today I installed a 5x5 closure by Ali Pearl, and I wanted to show you guys how I installed it. It's already, the lace on the front was already cut, but I wanted to show you guys how I installed it and how I also straightened it and my techniques and the products I've been using. I'll also leave in the description of products I love in the description box. In the future I'll definitely try to do more videos where start to finish, but if you want to see how I did like make this wig, or not make this wig, but like customize this wig, please check out my reel on Instagram. My Instagram is @form_. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Make sure to hit that notification button too, so you'll be alerted with my next content, because this year I'm not playing. I'm gonna make sure I bust out content, so make sure you are subscribed. Also, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I love interacting with you guys. I really appreciate those that have been like rocking with me and like being there and commenting and reaching out. I love it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, y'all. So this wig right here is a 5x5 wig by Ali Pearl. I know it look crazy, y'all. I know it look crazy, but trust the process. So let me show it. Let me brush this hair. I washed it, so this is my second time washing. The first time I washed it was when I did the wig, made the wig, and that video is online on Instagram. Just like a real quick reel. It's nothing like too detailed. It just shows you my plucking process, and it just shows you, yeah, it shows my plucking process, bleaching process, and all that stuff. But I can't tell you if this hair is good enough, because I've only worn it a week straight, one time in May, like the last week of May. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it, and it is a 5x5, so it's easier than having a frontal, y'all. So, and I think this is good for somebody that's not that great at hair and that wants to do their own hair and want to be self-sufficient, because I preach being self-sufficient all the time. I already apply like rubbing alcohol there, so like all the grease can go away. Skin, y'all. It is giving skin. Y'all, I'm taking. If it looks like it's still too much, and then as you keep doing it, you're gonna keep editing the hairstyle. Like it's not gonna stay like, not editing. You know what I mean? Like changing the way it looks. And because of the closure, you like, it'll still look good no matter how it looks. See that? So we got 3 baby hairs right here. Some people don't even do the middle baby hair anymore, but I feel like because I have a willow peak, it just looks like my hairline. Come on now, come on. So I'm gonna use Garnier Fructis's Style Flat Iron Perfector straining mist, and I really like this. It does the job. It really does get it bone straight for me, and I recommend it to everybody. So while I do my hair, I did decide to just do a like get to know me tag. My name is Hawa. If you don't know my name, it's Hawa. I am from the Bronx, New York. What else can I say? I'm already at number 2. I'm already number 2. I am 23 years old, and I'm currently a college student. At FIT, I go to a fashion school. What else can I say about myself? And I'm just saying this on top of my head, y'all. So I'm just trying to be as natural as possible. favorite show. So I don't even have a favorite show. I watch a lot of Netflix, HBO Max. Lately, I've been watching a lot of HBO. See how silky that is? I'm sorry. Excuse me, y'all. See how silky it just makes the hair look? And I put my this is a cheap flat iron, CHI flat iron. I don't know the style of this, y'all. It's on 370. And I didn't make this wig, y'all. This wig was bought like already made because honestly I don't got time to make wigs. Like that's an extra 3 days, extra day. My free time I just like watching movies. I like to watch a lot of like Afro-centric based films, like African films, black movies. Okay, so I'm gonna use She Is Bomb Collection hair wax stick on my hair on top. Getting the wig nice and silky, y'all. I don't know what other like facts I could tell about myself. Like I'm trying to be, I feel like y'all, if you follow my IG, like you know I'm into certain things, but I'm trying to figure, I don't know, I feel like next time I do a video like this, I'm gonna have to know like what to say, like what to tell y'all, because I don't want to be telling my business on the internet, like But you know about the internet, like you want to be transparent, but you don't want to be too transparent. Like you want to tell people enough about you. But break. See how like straight this is? It's not perfect because the hair quality is okay, but see how straight that is? I'm trying to make sure this is straight. Like it's giving that wavy look. I don't know if it's because of the spray or because I'm not that great at hair. Like I could straighten my hair to a decent level, or maybe it might be practice because this hair is better than Ali Annabelle. If you see, I have an Ali Annabelle review. If you guys want a review on this hair, let me know. I might do the review in the fall though, when I wear this wig more often next in the fall, because I don't think this is the best time. This is not the best time to wear this hair. Like you need to wear this hair when it's cold outside, y'all. When it's cold, wear long hair so you can wear the jacket, blah blah, and then you'll see the quality. And then by then I'll have like a 6 months review, and then I'll tell you about how the hair acts, like for how the hair is acting like 3 months. I keep touching my hair. I'm doing one of those things. Touching my hair, my nails is long, my hair look good. I need to chill out. And my hair nails, they've been longer, y'all, but I wanted to be a little short because I was doing my nails too much lately. Like I was just feeling myself. Like getting my nails and my toes done. Yo, I'm taking care of myself this year. Like I'm trying to take care of myself more often this year. It looks so fire. I don't even know what motivated me to do this today. It looks so fire. See, this is how it looks. This is, so I had this hair since May, and this is my second time installing it. This gives you a little look. I bought this off the Ali Pearl website, and this is their 5x5 closure. It's 24 inches, and it goes to my waist. Stand up for y'all so y'all can see. Hopefully it's a good angle and y'all can see enough. Well, yeah, it goes to my waist, like a little past my belly button, but 24 inches this is a pretty good look. I like 22 inches on me, but because this hair is new, I don't know this, and I never bought Ali Pearl hair, full Ali Pearl hair. I decided to go an extra inch, and also I had to take in mind of shedding, because when hair sheds it gets shorter. I don't want it to be 22 inches the first day, and by day 90 it's 18 inches. No, we're not doing that here. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment on this video for more in the future. If you have any questions, please comment it below, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I really liked sitting here talking with y'all, and I'm glad y'all was rocking with me. I'm gonna let y'all go now, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.
Fall in your hand in the fire, so now me you could love forever.